Let me tell you something uncomfortable. You don't have a money problem, but you have a money pattern issue. Because if knowledge lang talaga ang solution, dapat mayaman ka na ngayon. Alam mo naman kung paano mag-ipon, alam mo na paano mag-invest, alam mo na lahat, pero hanggang ngayon, bakit stress ka pa rin pagdating sa pera? Ito yung weird part. Nung wala kang pera, takot ka na maghirap. Pero nagkaroon ka ng pera, takot ka naman mawala ng kita. Nagbago lang sitwasyon mo, pero feelings mo hindi. Let me tell you the truth. Fear does not create action. Fear creates avoidance. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, do you want to get out of that wrong money pattern and that wrong fear? If your answer is yes, you cannot do it alone. So ready ka na mag-break free sa iyong wrong money pattern? Just type BF in the comment section or go to the link para ma-check out mo and make a decision. Hindi na try, but this is the time for you to change. See you on April 25.